Have you ever had that one coworker who just seems off? You say good morning and they hit you with the half-hearted good morning, like they just came from a Monday that never ended. Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing, what if it's more than just a bad day? Hi, I'm Mike Veny, a certified corporate wellness specialist, and today we're talking about something crucial: how to help an employee with depression without making things worse. Let's set the record straight. Your role is not to, number one, act as their counselor or therapist. That is not your role. Number two, pry into their personal life. Or number three, be overly invested in their success. The last one sounds counterintuitive, right? Like, wait, I thought we were supposed to support employees. Yes, you are, but there's a fine line between support and pressure. And if you start hovering like a motivational TED Talk in human form, it can actually make things worse. Imagine you're struggling and now someone's checking in on you every 5 minutes like, hey champ, how are we feeling today? You're going to crush it. That's not helpful. It's exhausting and it will make things worse. So what should you do? Keep it simple. Create a culture where mental health isn't taboo. Offer assurance that their job isn't at risk because they're struggling, and give them space while making sure they know support is there. Also, encourage professional help, but don't try to be the help. And if you're wondering how to bring it up, try this. Hey, I've noticed you've seemed a little off lately. If there's anything I can do to make work easier for you, let me know. Boom. No pressure, no weirdness, just genuine support. This is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to mental health in the workplace. If you want more proven strategies to create a healthier work environment, check out my other videos on employee wellness. And hey, if you found this helpful, please hit that like button and leave a comment. I love comments. I read them all, and share this with someone who needs it. Oh, and before you go, get a free dose of exclusive emotional wellness insights, useful ideas, and whimsical reflections delivered straight to your inbox every month by signing up for my newsletter at mikeveny.com. See you in the next video.